Hi, my name is Aditya. I am the CEO of Automatsky, and today I am going to be showing you QUBOverse. But before that, a little bit about quantum computing and quantum annealing. Automatsky makes the world's most powerful quantum annealers and gate-based quantum computers. Its gate-based quantum computers support hundreds of logical qubits and millions of gates, and its quantum annealers support up to 500 million qubits or binary variables, and they solve problems in seconds, in a matter of seconds. On a benchmark, a sparse 100 million qubit problem was solved in a couple of seconds. So we tell people that 50% of the world's problems are optimization problems, or problems that can be posed as optimization problems. And we at Automatsky thought that annealers would be easier to start with than gate-based quantum computers, which is generally true, but we found that most of our customers are still struggling to adopt our quantum annealers. So we would like to help our customers as much as we can, even though we are a full stack quantum vendor. We don't have a consulting team or a team that works on use cases, but we do work. We have put in some effort on things like quantum chemistry, materials, drug discovery, quantum finance, quantum AI, CFD, etc., and obviously quantum cryptography. But we'd like to help our customers as much as possible. So with that idea, we want to show you and tell you about QUBOverse. QUBOverse is a framework that has 112 formulations of QUBO problems and QUBO models. If you search on Google for a list of QUBO formulations, you will find this page, which mentions the problem and its QUBO formulation defined in a research paper, which is described in a research paper. So somebody had to do the hard work, and which we did. We put six of our team members on splitting this list of 112 problems into six parts, and create their implementation of their formulations and examples for each of those problems. Now, to do that, we had to create a framework that was modular, and we had to establish the structure so that a distributed set of team members could work independently, and the framework could be assembled, and it could be tested. Now, uh, I have to add a caveat. I will show you all the problems running, but ideally, we would have wanted each of the team members to cross review other team members' formulations, but we couldn't do that. So, this is on a best effort basis. Let me show you. So, we have created a comprehensive example that executes all of the 112 problems out of the box on our cloud hosted annealing systems. And you have nothing to configure, all the IP address port is already configured. You just have to say Python examples slash comprehensive underscore example dot py and press enter, and each of those 112 examples would get executed. You can look at the source code, you can look at the solutions, you can look at the formulations, and hopefully you will find it useful as a way to kickstart your QUBO formulation and model development for your industry. The QUBOverse framework with 112 QUBO formulations is not in the public domain. It is available exclusively to our existing quantum annealer customers. So let us give this some time to finish. So to reiterate, Automatsky's annealer support 500 million qubit problems, which can be solved in seconds. This is running on our entry level annealers on the cloud. That is why it is taking so much time. Anyway, so if you want to read about the problems, you can go to this web page and so all the 112 examples were completed. If you want to read about the problem and how it is formulated, there is a research paper link on the right hand side. You can look at those. These are the 112 problems that we have implemented. You can see all the references about how such problems are to be implemented, and they work out of the box with Automatsky's quantum annealers, and they are compatible with our SDKs in every way. That's all we had to show you today. Let us know how we can help you. Thank you very much.